Hi, everyone, and welcome again to another Teacher Joseph podcast. Today, I'm making this really amazing, very simple chicken dish for the family. Now, you know, I don't usually eat chicken, but this is amazing, and even I have cravings for this sometime. So, I just wanted to share it with you. All right, so it'll only take 5 minutes, no need to worry. So let's see what we need here. Well, we've got the chicken, lemon, lemon juice, olive oil, and a nice baking tin there. All right. So what we're going to do first of all, well, let me just explain. Okay. So I've already seasoned the chicken here. You can see, and I seasoned that chicken with this. I think this is what I used. Let me just see. Yeah, I used garlic and herb chicken seasoning. You don't have to do this. You can just season it with some salt if you prefer. Okay, let me just put that back in. All these spices, delicious. Okay, so I've used that to season it. And I have some olive oil here. Okay, so I'm just going to begin by putting some olive oil in here. Okay, I lost part of the lid there, so never mind. So there's some olive oil. And now I'm going to add a little bed of lemon. Okay, just like this. There we are. There's another one. Okay. And now I'm going to add the chicken. Like this. Okay. And like this. I'm going to add some more oil. Okay, just to go over top of the chicken there. All right, more lemon. Well, actually, I'll add thyme first because that's going to be the bulk of our recipe. So where's my thyme? Let's have a look. Thyme. Can you see thyme there? I don't see it. I know I have it. I just need to find it. So what's this? That's not it. Basil, mint, Italian herbs, oregano, more basil. Oh, I don't see my thyme. Well, that's all right. If I have no thyme, I'm going to use rosemary instead. Okay, so let me just have a look for that. Rosemary. If you see thyme here, shout. Well, you're probably watching the replay. So yeah, I don't seem to have any. Right, so rosemary, here we are. Rosemary, this will do nicely. So let's go back to the chicken. We're going to add the rosemary there. So let me just open this. There we are, so some rosemary. It's probably a little bit much, but never mind. Okay. And then we're going to add more lemon, like this, and again. And my family love the lemon juice, okay, so I'm just going to drench this in lemon juice as well. I have a bottle of lemon juice here, so I'm just going to use this. I can't seem to get it open. Ow. Just give me a second, please. There we are. Lemon juice. Okay, so I'm just going to add that in. It's delicious. And there we are. So that's going to get booked? No. Well, you can book it if you want. It doesn't do parties. But that's going to get cooked. That's going to get cooked for around 25 minutes at 190, and when it comes out it'll be delicious. You don't need to cover it, all right? And so that's it, my chicken herb recipe. It's a pity there was no thyme. I would have used thyme instead of rosemary, but rosemary gives it an equally delicious taste. All right, so see you all. Bye.